Life has a way of breaking us down. We all face moments when the weight of our circumstances feels too heavy to bear, when everything we've built seems to crumble before our eyes. But remember this: within every ending lies the seed of a new beginning. The power to rebuild, to rise from the ashes, is within you. Rebuilding yourself isn't about erasing the past or pretending it never happened. It's about embracing every experience, every scar, and using them as the foundation for your growth. The person you were yesterday doesn't define the person you can be tomorrow. There's a Japanese art form called Kintsugi, where broken pottery is repaired with gold, making it even more beautiful than before. Your life is like that pottery. The cracks, the breaks, the moments when you felt shattered, these are not flaws. They are the places where you've grown, where you've become stronger, more resilient. Rebuilding yourself doesn't happen overnight. It's a process, a journey of small steps taken every day. It's waking up and choosing to fight, even when it feels like the world is against you. It's finding the courage to forgive yourself, to let go of what no longer serves you, and to embrace the unknown with open arms. Remember, your story is not over. Every day is a blank page, a chance to rewrite your narrative. The power to create the life you want lies within you, but you must be willing to let go of who you were, to embrace who you can become. You must believe that you are capable of rising above your circumstances, no matter how dire they may seem. And you're not alone in this journey. Reach out, lean on those who care for you, and offer your strength to others in return. Together, we are stronger. Together, we can rebuild not only ourselves, but each other. So take that first step. Embrace the process of rebuilding yourself, piece by piece. Know that every struggle, every setback is a part of your transformation. You are not defined by your failures, but by how you rise after falling. This is your time. Rebuild yourself and become the person you were always meant to be.